You are coming into that final hairpin turn at 80 miles per hour. Your eyes are locked on the apex. Your foot hovers over the pedal, waiting for that perfect moment to compress the spring. You want that resistance to feel exactly like a real track car. These new modular pedals promise exactly that kind of immersion. They use a magnetic system that never actually touches. This means no parts are grinding down every time you take a corner. It is a long-term play for anyone who spends 5 nights a week in a virtual cockpit. You want to know that your brake force today will be identical to your brake force 3 years from now. That consistency is what builds champions in the digital world. But the excitement usually hits a wall when you look at the total bill. The core idea is that you can scale up your setup over time. In reality, that means the most important part for high-level racing is often an add-on. I'm talking about that specialized pressure sensor that mimics the hydraulic feel of a real racing machine. It is often tucked away as a separate purchase. By the time you add that to your cart, the price tag has jumped into a different league entirely. It can be a bit of a gut punch for a hobbyist. Then you have to deal with the physical reality of using these on a normal floor. The manufacturer includes these specialized grips for your carpet. They are supposed to lock the unit in place. However, if you are really stomping on the brakes to avoid a collision, those grips might not be enough. Many racers are finding that the base can still dance around on the floor. If you do not have a heavy-duty racing frame to bolt these down, you are going to have a hard time. It is frustrating to have world-class sensors inside a unit that slips across the room. You find yourself focusing more on keeping the hardware still than on your racing line. It breaks the flow. It pulls you out of the zone. You want to feel like a pro, but you end up feeling like you are fighting your furniture. This modular approach is great for people who want to customize every single tension setting. You can swap out the springs to make the pedal feel soft or rock hard. That level of control is incredible for fine-tuning your performance. But you have to ask yourself if you are ready to invest in a full rig to make it worth it. Precision is useless if the platform is unstable. It is a classic case of the hardware being too powerful for a casual desk setup. You are looking at a piece of equipment that demands a dedicated space. If you have the room and the budget for the extras, the accuracy could change your game. If you are just looking for a simple plug-and-play experience, this might be more than you bargained for. The tech is impressive, but the hidden costs and stability needs are real factors to consider. You have to think about the long game here. Is this the foundation of a professional home simulator or just an expensive headache on your carpet? It all comes down to how much you value that last fraction of a second on your lap times. Consistency is the king of the track. If these pedals move an inch, your muscle memory is gone. It is a tough call for many enthusiasts looking to upgrade their home setup this year. You deserve gear that stays put when the race gets intense.